Did you know a single tuna once sold for $3.1 million at a Tokyo auction? That's more than a luxury car. Stick around to find out why this fish is secretly a steal. Today, we're tackling a big one. Literally, a $3 million tuna. Yep, you heard that right. In 2019, a 612-pound bluefin tuna smashed records at Tokyo's Toyosu Market, fetching a jaw-dropping price. But here's the twist. In the world of high-end seafood, some call it a bargain. How does a fish cost millions yet still feel like a deal? Over the next few minutes, we'll unpack why this tuna's worth every yen, and what it says about Japan's luxury food game. Let's reel this in. Most folks hear $3 million tuna and think, that's insane. Why drop millions on a fish when you can grab a tuna sandwich for $5? It's a fair question. Tuna's everywhere, right? Canned, grilled, cheap. The misconception is that all tuna's the same. People don't get why one could be worth a fortune while another's pocket change. Here's the challenge. Value's tricky to see. Outside Japan, we're used to mass-produced seafood, not the elite stuff. A 2023 poll showed 70% of Americans wouldn't pay over $50 for sushi-grade fish. Meanwhile, this tuna's price per pound hit $5,000. It's not greed, it's a disconnect. To understand this, we've got to swim deeper than the surface, and trust me, it's not just hype driving that price tag. So, what makes this tuna worth $3 million? Let's fillet the facts. First, demand. Japan's obsessed with bluefin, sushi, and sashimi are cultural icons. High-end restaurants like Sushi Saito crave the best cuts, and diners pay top yen, think $300 for a single tasting menu. Supplies tight, overfishing slashed bluefin stocks by 97% since the 1970s, per the WWF. Rarity jacks up the price. Then there's quality. This wasn't any tuna. It was a pristine, fatty Otoro-grade bluefin, caught at peak season off Aomori. Experts graded on color, marbling, texture. Only 1% hit this level. Size matters too. 612 pounds means more premium cuts for profit. Auctions amplify it. Bidders like Kiyoshi Kimura, a sushi chain tycoon, splash cash for bragging rights and PR. In 2019, he said, "It's the best, it's worth it." Factor in tradition, prestige, and a shrinking supply, and that price starts making sense. Here's the kicker that seals the deal. That $3.1 million tuna? It wasn't just a fish, it was an investment. Kiyoshi Kimura, the buyer, turned it into 12,000 sushi pieces across his restaurants. At $250 per customer, conservative for his chain, that's $3 million in revenue, break-even at worst. Add the buzz, global headlines, packed tables, and he likely doubled his money in months. Experts estimate top tuna auctions yield 150 to 200% returns if played right. Compare that to 2023's market. Smaller bluefins hit $1 million, but stocks keep dropping. By 2030, prices could double again. That $3 million in 2019? It's a steal today. This isn't splurging. It's a calculated bet on a vanishing delicacy, and it paid off big. So, why's this $3 million tuna a bargain? It's simple. Rarity, quality, and market savvy turned it into gold. Demand's sky high, supplies dwindling, and buyers like Kimura know how to flip it for profit and prestige. Beyond the numbers, it's a snapshot of Japan's seafood world, where tradition meets big business, and everyone bites a stakes game. Misconceptions fade when you see the math. This fish wasn't overpriced, it was ahead of the curve. Food for thought, right? What do you think? Crazy price or clever deal? Drop your thoughts on tuna pricing in the comments. I'm hooked on your input. If you loved this, check out my playlist on foodie adventures. Hit subscribe, and let's keep cracking Japan's tastiest hacks together.